As a general manager, basically my job is to make sure that our customers receive great communication from the beginning to the end of their project. From the very first phone call to when the project is complete and we're handing you the final invoice, we want to make sure that you're clearly informed as to what's going to happen. A long time ago, we realized that the biggest problem between customers and contractors is there's a big gap in what's going to happen and what they're told. So what we try to do is make sure that you get clear communication from the beginning. That starts with, obviously, when we answer the phone. When our salesperson comes out and gives you all of the information, we want to make sure that it's accurate and you're prepared for everything that's going to happen. Then we work with the field people to make sure that they understand the details and communicate with you if anything should change as a project is going on. We want to make sure that they have all of the information correct and that you know that you're getting what you were promised. At the end of the day, our goal is to make sure that our customers are happy and protected.